Hey, it's LSF here today. Welcome back to the channel. What if instead of trying to sell you a brand new car every 3 or 4 years, Toyota and Lexus offered official factory-backed upgrades to make your vehicle match the latest model year? Well, this is exactly what Toyota is doing in Japan with the newly expanded Toyota and Lexus Upgrade Factory program. Today, we're going to discuss a fascinating story published by Autoblog about Toyota's push towards vehicle longevity. Then we're going to deep dive into the official Japanese Lexus upgrade catalog for the current generation NX. We'll look at the available retrofits for fixing dim ambient lighting to upgrade to the 15-watt Gen 5 wireless charger, and even OEM colored seatbelts and F-Sport orange calipers, complete with Canadian and US dollar equivalent conversions. Before we start, if you enjoy staying up to date on all things Lexus and Toyota, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump into it. So let's get started with the Autoblog story. While most automakers focus heavily on over-the-air OTA software updates, Toyota is taking a very different approach in here. In Japan, what they are calling the Toyota Factory Upgrade, formerly known as the Kinto Factory. Talking about over-the-air updates, definitely Toyota is lacking there because I haven't seen an update on my car since 2024, and there has been discussions about going to the dealership to get the update of the newest Lexus infotainment system. So the concept is simple. Instead of forcing owners to trade in their vehicles to get features added to their newer model years, Lexus and Toyota owners can go online, enter their vehicle chassis number, choose an OEM retrofit, and book an appointment with an official dealership. These aren't aftermarket mods that void your warranty. These are 100% genuine factory hardware and software updates, installed by certified Lexus technicians and backed by factory warranty coverage. It covers everything from older 2000 models all the way up to the current generation vehicles like our Lexus NX and RX. So my question to you right off the bat, if Lexus brought this exact program to North America, would you take advantage of it? Let me know in the comments below. Now let me walk you through the official upgrade catalog for the second generation Lexus NX 2021 Plus model year. And why is it 2021? Because it was built in the factory starting late 2021. There are 11 distinct items available, and many of these address exact pain points North American owners have voiced since launch. If you already own an early 2022 and 2023 NX, you know one of the biggest complaints was the 64 color ambient lighting was just too dim at night. Lexus actually solved this in Japan by offering a hardware LED module upgrade that replaces the door panel, footwell lights with high output factory LEDs, delivering twice the brightness. So this illumination upgrade increases the interior brightness. You can see that we have different options here, and they're saying that production November 2021 to February 2024 that do not have dimming function, meaning when you shift your transmission to drive or reverse, you should see that the LEDs will dim, and this one is you will not see it dimming. So you can see here there is only increasing the brightness is 88,000 yen, increase the interior brightness for the vehicle with cup holders. So this one is 91,300. And then this one is for vehicles equipped with door pocket illumination. And then it can go all the way up to the top where it says increase the brightness, adds the rear handle lighting, is 132,000. Something's wrong here. This still says 88,000, but 132,000. But there's one thing that really makes me feel that, okay, I cannot have this. Every other NX can have it, except for my cadmium orange door handles. So they're saying that the rear handle illumination, so the rear lights that shine down, is not available for vehicles with the cadmium orange. I think the reason why is when they introduced it with the rear door handles, they stopped the color of cadmium orange, so they did not produce any parts for that color. So that is why it's not available for the cadmium orange vehicles. They also offer this specific version for trims equipped automatic shift link dimming, ensuring that you can put your car in drive, the brighter LEDs properly scale down so they don't distract you while driving at night. So one very funny thing, just from my personal ownership perspective, back in 2022, my car, when I shift into reverse or to drive, the LEDs will actually dim. I do not know after what software update that function stopped working. Now the lights are constantly at the same level. I do not know what happened, but do leave in the comments below. Have you seen your LEDs dim when you go to shift to drive or reverse? Or when you shift to drive or reverse, the light stays constant? My original 2022, when it came from the factory, it was doing that. After certain software updates, that stopped working. For exclusive updates on my NX 450H Plus ownership and DM me, follow me on Instagram at LSFD Videos. Also, you can check the description below for a 10% discount code for FitCamX Dashcam and links to the products I use on my Amazon storefront. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help the algorithms. And now let's get back to the video. Next is the Mellow Glow Ambient Illumination. Introduced on newer model years, the Mellow Glow replaces the static lighting colors with smooth dynamic color gradients that slowly transition over time, giving the NX cabin a relaxed, ultra-modern luxury feel. And you can see here, this is rainforest color, and you can see the transitions that it's doing. So this can only apply to vehicles produced from March 2024 and onwards, and it also needs the multicolor illumination. The Gen 5 wireless smartphone charger. This is huge. The original Qi charger in the early NX was dropping connections, overheating phones, and just doesn't charge. In Japan, Lexus lets you retrofit the upgraded 5th generation Panasonic charger. It features a 3.6 times larger charging coil zone, supports 15-watt fast charging, and drastically reduces disconnections. So this was actually an upgrade in, I think, late 2023, early 2024 model years, where you had the bigger silicone pad, you have the 5th generation charger. With that charger, it works much better in comparison to the original charger. I've actually reached out to Lexus Canada and they will not upgrade my car under warranty to the new charger because they're saying that it will not fit. And because when you look at this, you have to have the USB-Cs under the Qi charger, then you can do the upgrade. But most 2022s and 2023s do not have that. So, and then once they actually have that, then you already have the Gen 5. So that is very confusing. So I do not know how this works, but we have seen an original 2022 owner getting the new charger on the 2022 with warranty in the United States. But again, you cannot fight with Lexus Canada and they will not budge because that is not something Lexus authorizes as a replacement part. So we also have different trims, the interior color trim customization. So there's the glove compartment and console panel, the 4-door trims, and the full interior package. If you bought a solid black interior and regret not getting two-tone, Lexus allows you to swap out the glove box cover, center console, side panels, and all 4-door panel insert trims for Lexus genuine panels in hazel, dark rose, or white. I assume that you can probably buy these parts from Lexus Parts and then swap them yourself. The next one is colored seatbelts. Personally, I love this one. You can replace your factory black seatbelts with OEM color belts like red or tan, engineered the exact same factory safety and retracting specs. It doesn't say for the cost it's 2 seatbelts or it's 1 cost per each one, but I'm assuming the price includes 2 seatbelts because the rear seats are not included in the installation. So you can have two colors in the front, but the rear ones are the same black ones. Another option I would definitely get for my car is this retrofit the official high friction orange painted brake calipers with the black Lexus logo on the front. It's a clean OEM look without having to resort to aftermarket paint or covers. Digital inner mirror visibility upgrade. For models equipped with the digital rearview mirror, this upgrade replaces and recalibrates the camera sensor and processor to reduce nighttime headlight glare, eliminating LED flickering from cars behind you and improve low light contrast. And I definitely agree that the original digital rearview mirror at night is quite useless because those headlights will just make it so bright that you really can't use it. Next one is a service emitting high mount stop lamp. Finally, a small exterior touch. This replaces the standard pixelated third brake light on the rear spoiler with a solid service emitting LED light bar that matches the seamless lighting signature of newer Lexus concepts. My personal favorites are easily the colored seatbelts and the F Sport orange brake calipers. It matches my cadmium orange color as well. And almost all these options, especially the Gen 5 wireless and the ambient light brightness fix, would be massive popular here in North America. But I think they need to clarify that Gen 5 wireless charger to see if it actually will retrofit to 2022 model years. This makes so much sense for Toyota. It gives dealerships a brand new service revenue stream, keeps owners happy with their current cars longer, and maintains incredible resale value. The big question remains, why hasn't Lexus North America launched this here yet? With the average age of vehicles on North America roads reaching record highs, bringing this Lexus upgrade factory across the Pacific seems to be a total win-win situation. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.